Here's a simple step-by-step guide showing you how to download your Amazon order invoice as a PDF. First, open Amazon in your browser and sign into your account. The invoice download option works best on the desktop version. Hover over Returns and Orders at the top right of the page. Click to open your full order history. Scroll through your orders and find the item you need an invoice for. You can use filters like Date Range or Search by Item Name. Next to the item, click Order Details or Order Invoice depending on the layout. If you don't see it yet, don't worry, the option appears on the next screen. On the Order Details page, look for Invoice or Invoice and Purchase Proof. Click Invoice and select Download PDF. Your browser will save the file directly to your computer. This document includes your order ID, billing information, product details, and tax breakdown. Perfect for returns, business expenses, or warranty claims. For some items, especially from Amazon sellers, you may also see Tax Invoice. If you need it for reimbursement or accounting, click it and download that PDF as well. And that's it. You've downloaded your Amazon invoice as a PDF.